In today's energy markets, let's take a look at WTI crude futures as they're moving higher today. Crude futures higher for a second session, and today we're looking at the futures market up over 2.5% for the day, priced at 74.90, so just shy of that 75 handle, and negating some of the selling pressure, a big chunk of the selling pressure, as we're trading at 1 week highs. Now, prior to this two-day rally, we did see 4 consecutive days of lower price action, moving us down towards the lower end of the range for the year before we did see, again, crude coming off that 72 level and now trading back into the middle of the 75 handle here, 75 bucks. And so I think, again, that continues to unfold here in the markets. And when you look at the driving factors, a couple things. Number one, I think the Fed message this morning, Fed Chairman Powell's speech in Jackson Hole, basically announcing that rates are moving lower, has shifted sentiment moving forward, possibly could increase consumer confidence moving forward, and I think that that's one of the catalysts. Couple that with exportation of WTI. We continue to see that ramping up, now further increase exportation into Europe. And even though we're seeing inventories at elevated levels, overall, I think that demand for WTI has shifted here the last several months, and that could be another catalyst as to why we're seeing some higher price action. Now, looking at the rig counts, week over week, we did see oil rigs unchanged week over week, but gas rigs did tick down by 1, and that's the second week in a row where gas rigs have ticked lower. It hasn't happened until the end of June. So overall, you're seeing some moderation here in the rigs the last month or so. So production has been reined in a little bit. And even though inventories are elevated, when you look at the draws the last couple of weeks, we are seeing increased draws in the WTI space. I think part of that is because of the exportation, and markets appear to be expecting that to continue into the fall.